Day 8 in South Korea. It's raining so much here. Maybe it's because of the intense humidity here. We're gonna catch a taxi, go to our tour guide's house, and explore more parts of South Korea. So, we'll see you guys there in a second. Peace. Headed to Yeouido, aka the tour guide's house.
여의도에 있는 거 맞죠?
예.
On this bridge for the 5th time, guys. Yeah, I definitely recognize this bridge now.
그럼 요거 2개, 요거 2개.
We're at a restaurant.
네, 생선하고 고기하고 네. 밥은 나중에, 식사는 나중에.
얘기해도 돼요.
그래,
보내는데 뭐 아니 이렇게 뭘 해서 보내하셨습니다.
너보다 더 고생하셨네.
Got our food here.
올해는 수술 안 한다고 그랬으니까.
근데 수술하는 건 아무것도 아니에요. 솔직한 얘기. 항선 치료가 더 힘들어요.
그렇다고 하더라고.
Oh,
물
this
먼저
looks
했죠.
fire.
방사선을 먼저 했어.
아니요, 나중에.
수술을 먼저 하고
예, 수술을 먼저 하고 나중에 방사선.
그다음 방사선. 그럼 무슨 너 먹고 와?
시켜야 돼.
그
좀 이따 아니, 혹시 내게 아니에요.
물어봐 가만히 있어.
이제 시킬게.
혹시거든요.
Looks delicious.
짭짤하다.
Ooh, I am full from that meal. That meal was delicious. Very good and very delicious too. Meal was great. I give it a 9.5 out of 10. I love the noodles. I love the fish. I love the steamed beef. It's traditional Korean food that I definitely enjoyed. So it also kind of reminded me of home. So it was such a warm experience for me. We're in the middle of the streets here. Just finished eating at the noodle shop. And time to explore some more in Yeouido. They have a lot of shops here. Ice cream, cream boy, beer, bagels, fruits, wine, coffee, ice cream. Ooh, a truck here. And it feels like some outskirts of NYC here. Gelato, Hokdonga. I don't know what that means, but it's probably another restaurant. Yeah, it's definitely another restaurant. And there's much more here. Original Coffee Bean, another coffee shop and cafe. They have naengmyeon here too, or cold buckwheat noodles from Pyongyang. The bank, more coffee, a pharmacy. They have everything here. No way, they have an Outback Steakhouse too. I had it 4 years ago in the States, and let's just say the steak was not the best quality ever. So, wow, they have an Outback steak here in South Korea. That's crazy. I thought that's Australian, but no, that's South Korean tradition too, I guess. But I have to check that out too, how it differs from the States. Wow, a bunch of windows here. Cafe Coma. They have cream bread, they have ice cream. Cafe Coma. Cafe Coma. We're gonna check this out. Vanilla milk gelato here. Can't wait to dig into this. We got espresso here too, Americano. Alright guys, we finished at the cafe. Gelato was kind of small. I was shocked. I was flabbergasted. But oh my. That was one of the best ice creams I've ever had. Vanilla milk, 10 out of 10. I don't know if I'm just biased or I just love ice cream so much. Like Joe Biden. So, we're going back to the Airbnb through the taxi on our way back to the Trump Hotel. As you can see here. Alright guys, so we just arrived at the train station here. The bus station right here. Currently we're waiting for a bus to go to Seoul-yuk or Seoul Station to just take us back home. I'm stuffed, had dessert, which is ice cream. Currently right now Alright guys, so we're at Shinsegae. No, not Shinsegae. We're at Yeongdongpo. It's time we head home. We're having a layover in Yeongdongpo after coming from Yeouido. So let's head to Seoul-yuk or Seoul Station. Quick stop at the Lotte department store to find more clothes. I don't know why we're always here, but the tour guide always wants to get clothes for some reason. This floor right here. This is gonna get boring. The tour guide really wants some clothes. We're still currently here. My tour guide's taking forever. It's taking hours.
지하 1층 가야지 전철 타죠.
지하 2층에서도 전철 타고요. 여기 3층에서도 나가요.
I'm exhausted. Get me out of here. Time to go back home. Oh, they have a Dunkin' Donuts here. I should check that out. Check that out soon. Currently about to go back to Seoul Station. And currently it's gonna take about 20 minutes to wait. I'm dying to go back home. I'm tired and exhausted. So, let's go, guys. Currently heading back to Seoul Station at Seoul-yuk. Two more stops left. We're at Yongsan, then Namyeong, and then Seoul Station. I'm ready to go home and take a huge nap, everyone. Holy crap, I do need to take a shower. I'm sweating balls right now. Millage Road. Just get me into the Airbnb quickly, ASAP. Strawberry milk here. Just came back, just took a shower, and now I'm about to go chug the strawberry milk down. I've been craving strawberry milk for a while. Alright guys, that should do it for now, today. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.